Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. In this presentation, I'm going to show you what I did with the interactive element that we started last time. I expanded it and made it a structure or a class so I could create a structure for it. And therefore, I rendered the game. Let's see how it plays. Now again, all the pages haven't been propagated, so if I go to scientific methods, so we have information bits. They're not all supposed to turn on, only the ones relative to this page, so there is a glitch. But when I ask the question, I say yes, the question will go away and I get a point because that was the right answer. If I click on another one and I say the wrong answer, it does not give me a point and it's supposed to disappear for a while. But what's nice is this information bit, once I do get it working, works on all the page it's linked to. So here's one that's got a little bit more going on. But notice the one I answered correctly is still gone. So if I answer another one correctly, and then go to dimensions, see it's no longer there. So I've got this placed in a few of them, and what I have, let's go ahead and exit. So right now there's not a button for it, but just hit escape. Oh no, I didn't put the escape key on it. Okay, so I have to pull up my task manager and tell him to stop the program. My demo game. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is go to my game control and put an escape clause. So every time it updates, it should check to see if you input an escape key. So we want input get key down, key code, escape. And if you hit that, I want it to take the application and quit. Alright, so next time I render the game, I won't have that issue because it's in my game control. Okay, so what I did was, in my game control, I created a structure called question gem, and it has all the pieces I need to it: the archival note, the question, the correct answer, the possible answers, and the possible responses. And then I have a a question bank here where I can propagate new questions. I just tell it what page it's on, what the question is, and what the input is, and it'll build it for me when that page loads, as long as that initial diamond's on the page. And then this one is on the diamond. When you click on it, it'll turn on the toggle, and the toggle will write to the GUI. And then the quiz master is the one who controls where the buttons go. And eventually, right now they're just spread out, but two things. One, eventually it will not show if it's not appropriate for the page, and two, it will write the diamonds that are appropriate for the page next to each other. So I'm going to work on that a little bit, and I'll put it on silent mode. Alright, so I fixed several problems in that 6-minute span. Let's look at the game again. I re-rendered it. I did reset it, so I don't know exactly which ones it's going to play and which ones it's not, but it still shows the 1 point that I got when I played last. So if I go to data, there's 1 question left unanswered. So all the questions I answered correctly are gone. I reset my score, but I can turn that off when the game is ready to run. But if I get the question wrong, the question does disappear for a little bit, and then it returns, so that if you get it right the next time, it'll be gone. So and then also my escape button works. I need to put the button here, but if you hit escape, it'll let you out of the game. So that is the video for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like it and share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.